Hi, good morning everybody. How are you today? What are you having for lunch? Are you cooking? You haven't thought of what to eat yet? Okay, so I'm going to help you. Today you can actually cook fish teriyaki. Alright, so I have Auntie Ainun here who's going to show you how you can prepare fish teriyaki at home. Now this is a baked dish, okay, so just need the oven, that's all. You don't need to fry anything, you don't need the stove, you just need the oven. Alright, so here we go, Auntie Ainun, to show you how fish teriyaki is done.
Hi, good morning. Today we are preparing fish teriyaki. So I have an ingredient that I prepared already. So we use 1 tablespoon of light sauce, tomato sauce, dark sauce, sweet sauce, and oyster sauce. So we have 2 kg of fish doré, 3 sticks of carrot, and 3 sticks of cucumber. You can slice your shape and size that you like to cook. So the first thing we do is we put all the ingredients together. Tomato sauce, sweet sauce, okay, oyster sauce, lastly the fish. Marinate, stir slowly. Okay, mixing. If you want more tasty, you can put white pepper and a little bit of salt. Okay. We will marinate about 10 minutes before we bake. Easy and simple.
So,
okay, now we prepare the thing. We just put it as much as you like. Okay, that's all. We will wait for about 20 minutes in hot oven, 180 degrees. That's all. Okay, bake the fish for 20 minutes. The oven is 180 degrees Celsius. Okay. Here we go.